The whole machinery of government is in every constituency in Kenya on a program called National Youth Opportunity Towards Advancement, or Nyota. And many times you look at the kind of things we are doing as a country and you sympathize, because the activity Kenyans are seeing in government in terms of embracing the program, you might think the government is very invested in it. I want to make it very clear to Kenyans and the Kenyan youth. The Nyota program is not part of the revenues government correct. Is also not part of the debt that I keep talking about. The Nyota program is a program fully funded by the World Bank. And I would request the government, because it is good we continue to help the youth of Kenya who want to start businesses, who want to advance in skill. We need to do much more other than politicize our World Bank program.
Tumekuwa katika hii shughuli ya validation ya wale watu wameapply business support katika program ya Nyota. And the Nyota program, it's a 5-year program ambayo itakuwa ina run kila mwaka. This component tulikuwa tunataka vijana 70 kila ward, tunawapatia 50,000. The numbers are so huge, wale wamekuja leo. We had 8,000 who had been invited in the whole county. Hapa Kirinyaga Central tuko zaidi ya watu 2,000 ambao wamekuja siku ya leo, and from now tutawafanyia selection, and then they will be done training and mentorship ili vijana waweze kupata pesa ya kufanya biashara.